In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make cinematic photo masking in Lightroom. Photo masking is a powerful technique that can take your photography to a new level, allowing you to create stunning visual effects with ease. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just getting started, these steps will guide you through the process in a straightforward and efficient manner. First things first, let's get started by opening up Lightroom on your computer. If you haven't already, import the photo you want to work on by heading over to the File menu and selecting Import. This process will allow you to choose the image you're planning to edit and seamlessly bring it into your workspace. Once your photo is imported, you'll notice it appears in the Library module, which is typically the default module upon importing a picture. Now, head over to the top right corner of your Lightroom interface. You'll want to click on Develop, which will switch your workspace from Library to the Develop module. This is where all the magic happens, giving you the tools you need to enhance your photo. In the Develop module, direct your attention to the toolbar and look for the circle icon. This circle icon is your gateway to masking. Click on it, and it will open up masking options that allow you to make various local adjustments to specific areas of your photo. For a cinematic effect, one of the most commonly used tools is the linear gradient. You can select the linear gradient option by clicking on it from the drop-down menu that appears after clicking on the circle icon. Now, you're ready to apply the gradient to your image. Good. Now take your cursor to your photo and click and drag across the section where you want the gradient mask to be applied. This could be from top to bottom, side to side, or at any angle that suits your creative vision. This gradient will help direct the viewer's attention and can be particularly useful for emphasizing dramatic skies or moody landscapes. Once you've placed your gradient, it's time to adjust the exposure settings. This is where the real cinematic magic occurs. On the right-hand side, you'll see options to adjust your exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, and blacks. Carefully tweak these settings to bring out the drama in your photo. Lowering the shadows and heightening the contrast can enhance the depth and mood, while adjusting the exposure helps balance the overall brightness of the masked area. As you make these adjustments, remember that subtlety is key. It's easy to get carried away, but smaller adjustments can often produce more impactful and professional results. Keep experimenting with these settings until you are satisfied with the cinematic effect you've created. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can create stunning, cinematic photo effects using Lightroom's masking tools. Happy editing!